Hello everyone. In the last class, we have discussed about one topic that was transmissibility or vibration isolation. Today we will discuss one numerical on the same topic. Okay, this was the question which was asked by RTO in 2018. It was an 8 marks question. So let us see what is the question. So here is saying a 1000 kg machine that is mounted on four identical springs of total spring constant K and negligible damping, and the machine is subjected to a harmonic external force F that is equal to 490 Newton and frequency is 180 rpm. Now we have to determine the amplitude of the machine and the maximum force transmitted to the foundation because of this unbalanced force which is given, and using K, that is spring constant, equal to 1.96 into 10 raised to power 6 Newton per meter. Okay, so this was the question asked on the topic transmissibility by RTO in 2018. So let us see what is given to us. So here is these are the things which are given to us. F naught, that is the unbalanced force created by that machine, is 490 Newton. The frequency at which the machine is operating, that is 180 rpm. We can find out omega from that by using formula 2 pi n by 60. Okay, we are getting operating frequency at which our machine is operating is 18.84 radian per second. Okay, next spring constant is given to us, that is 1.96 into 10 raised to power 6 Newton meter per meter, and the mass is 1000 kg. Okay, so we have already discussed this, that transmissibility ratio, that is Ft by F naught. Ft is the force which is being transmitted by the isolation to the foundation or the ground. As you can see here in the diagram also, isolation is transmitting the force Ft to the foundation or the ground, and the machine, the unbalanced force which is creating is F naught here. This is F naught, which is the unbalanced force that the machine is creating, and we have put isolation, and after that is the foundation or the ground. So the ratio of Ft by F naught is nothing but the transmissibility ratio. And in the last class we have already derived the formula for the transmissibility ratio, that is Ft by F naught equal to under root 1 plus 2 zeta omega by omega n square divided by under root 1 minus omega by omega n square whole square plus 2 zeta omega by omega n whole square. Here is one important thing which is given in the question. You can see that negligible damping, that the damping given, we should not consider any kind of damping. It means that zeta given in the question is 0 because the damping is negligible. It means zeta equal to 0. So we have to put zeta equal to 0 in this formula. Okay, so as we put zeta equal to 0 in the above formula, we get the formula for transmissibility ratio for this numerical. So by putting zeta equal to 0 because of no damping or negligible damping, we are getting the formula for transmissibility ratio, this, that is Ft by F naught equal to 1 by 1 minus omega by omega n whole square. Okay, so we have to find omega n. Omega we have already find out. Omega is the frequency at which the system or the machine is operating, and omega n is the natural frequency. We know the formula for natural frequency, that is omega n equal to under root k by m. Both are given to us, so putting this value both, we will find the value of omega n, that is we are getting 44.27 radian per second. Okay, now we can easily find out the value of Ft. Ft is the force which is being transmitted to the foundation, and F naught is the unbalanced force which is given to us, unbalanced force which the machine is creating because of some unbalanced mass. Okay, which is given to us 490. Just putting the value of omega and omega n, we will get the Ft. So here in this case we are getting the value of Ft, that is 598.3 Newton. Okay, so it's very simple. One more second part he is asking one more, that is amplitude. We have to find out the amplitude. It's the same formula which is we have used for the in case of force vibration. Okay, so amplitude, we know the formula A equal to F naught upon K divided by under root 1 minus omega by omega n square whole square plus 2 zeta omega by omega n whole square. Okay, again here we have to discuss, take the same case, that is no damping or negligible damping. In that case zeta is equal to 0. So putting value of zeta equal to 0 in this case, so we get this formula A equal to F naught by K 1 minus omega by omega n square. So we have all the values. F naught is given to us, that is the unbalanced mass, unbalanced force. K is given to us, omega and omega n we have already find out. So we can easily find out the value of amplitude, that is 3.05 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter. So it was an easy numerical which was asked on the topic we have already discussed, transmissibility or vibration isolation. So thank you.